Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you for coming back. So today I'm doing a very quick review slash update on, well, no, it's a review on this hair that I just bought from Aliexpress from, yeah, Ali vendor on Aliexpress. So I'm just gonna do a quick review on the hair. I'm just gonna brag about the hair, that's it. So I haven't really installed the hair, I just got it today. So pretty much, let's get into it. I'm looking rough, guys. Yeah, I'm looking rough, but it's okay. So I bought this hair on Sunday, on the 19th. No, it was the 19th, yeah. I paid for the hair. It was 12.19. The hair on a Sunday. And when I bought the hair, I tell the vendor that I really want the hair as soon as possible, like as soon as possible, that I need it. And so I put that on the little comment thing, and she replied to me right back, okay, we'll try our best, you know. So when I bought the hair, within 1 hour, I got a message that says that after my payment has been verified, 1 hour shows that my hair has been mailed. I'm like, has been shipped. I'm like, dang, that's fast. But I was excited. I was like, that's crazy. So from Aliexpress, I bought 4 bundles and 1 closure come together. The hair was $213, and it was raw human hair. Whenever you use the word raw in hair, that means that hair does not have anything in it that's mixed. Almost all the hair nowadays are mixed. And I do hair a lot every day, so I can tell when the hair is mixed. I can tell when the hair is 100%. I can tell. So I spend hours on AliExpress trying to find a really good vendor and a really good hair. Hopefully I found one today, hopefully. And I did a video before on Love Me Hair. My subscribers did not have a good experience with them, so I did not really have to buy hair, but I purposely went to buy this hair just to see my experience, and hopefully it's a good hair so I can do the review and you guys can go and buy the hair. And this video is not sponsored. I'm trying to make up for whatever happened from the previous review that you guys did not have a good experience in. So bought the hair on Sunday. The hair got here today on Wednesday. It's not even a week, and I live in Texas, and this company is all in China. But the vendor was very nice. I was always messaging, and she was replying back, and she was even tracking my package for me, telling me it's on the way, it's delivered, all this stuff. I was at work, and I look at my email, delivered at 9 o'clock this morning. I'm like, this is the fastest I've ever had anything delivered. The fastest I've ever had anything delivered, ever. The fastest. I'm excited. It came, I already opened it just now, like just now. It have my address in there, but it come with FedEx. So it was express shipping FedEx. So I literally just got this. It's 4 bundles. I just took this one out just now. And the bundles I have 28 inch. I'm 5'10", so I like my hair to be very long. So, and I have them all the same length, and it comes with and I got an 18-inch closure. It's a free part closure. It's 18 inch. I can tell that the hair and the closure are exactly the same, because yeah, I can tell. But this hair is bone straight. Bone straight. I like my hair to be bone straight. When I buy straight hair, I want it to be straight. And this hair is already impressing me. And I've done the shedding test multiple times today. I have nothing on my hand. And I am pulling so hard. My nails are looking ratchet, but yes, no shedding. It's not that thick, but the longer the hair of yours, the less you're gonna get. So that's why I buy 4 bundles, because it's 28 inch. Look at this baby. This is very long hair. I can tell it's 100% human hair. It does not have a very bad smell. It does have a smell like it's washed, but good thing it's washed, because from somebody else's head. But yeah, 4 bundles from the closure, and it's from Ali Sky on Aliexpress, one of the vendors. I spent hours, hours looking for the hair that I really want, and hopefully I find this hair. Hopefully this hair is a very, very good hair. I'm gonna make it as a wig today, right now. I have to be at work really early, so I don't have time to do it tomorrow. So when I install the hair on the wig, I will do a review on how it look, and I will always do updates reviews. My updates are usually way longer because I want to use the hair for a very long time, just like I did on this one, so that way I can give you guys a very good review, like how the hair. I can just buy hair today and then do it updates next week. I haven't really experienced the hair, so I'm gonna have it in for quite a bit of time and then do another update. I'm gonna make it as a wig, put it and do a review on how it look. Hopefully it look gorgeous. Yeah, and so from Ali Sky on Aliexpress, the vendor's Ali Sky. This video is not sponsored. I was just very, very, very impressed on how fast the hair came to me. It's really within 3 days. I ordered the hair on Sunday. She did a very, very express shipping. It also came with a gift, a lash. I don't wear lashes, but I'm gonna wear this lash. This is free, like free stuff. But yeah. So that's it, and I'm looking rough, but hopefully you guys can understand because I wasn't feeling today. Thank you guys for watching, and follow me on Snapchat, Henrika99, and follow me on Insta, Henrika94. Oh, is it the other way around? Yeah, Henrika94, Henrika99. You guys have a good day, and see me again next time. Bye.